welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use the best notepad features step by steps. So let's get started. So firstly press Windows plus S, then type notepad, click on notepad. Here you will see notepad. Now how to use tabs in notepad. So simply, for example, I will type something in that. Now click on the plus icon. Here it's new tab. You can write anything on that. Now how to enable dark mode or light mode. Notepad, click on the setting button. Now click on app theme, click on arrow. Here you will see light, it is in light. Dark, it is dark mode, or use system settings. So the next is how to change font and text size. Click on settings, scroll to font. Here you will see font family. Choose the font family. For example, I will be click on chisel, then style regular, then size 20. Enter. Now you will see what I will write. Also you can enable bold from there. Also you can italic. If it's heading, you can choose title, subheading, many more from there. If you want to clear the formatting, just simply click on there. It will be in regular. Now how to turn on word wrap. Click on view. Here you will see word wrap. Word wrap will be disabled. Again click on there. Word wrap will be enabled. How to use find and replace. Press Ctrl plus F to find. For example, I will be finding A. Then enter. Here you will see A will be marked. Now if I want to find H, then enter. You will see how many H we have. 2, 3. If you want to replace, press Ctrl plus H and type H, replace with T. Then replace all there, where H it will be turned to T. Next is how to use spell check. Go to settings, scroll down the page, enable spell check. Now I will show you. I will type how, enter. Now right click on it. You will see suggestions. For example, when, where, who. next is next is how to use AI features. For example, I will be select the text, right click on it. You will see write, rewrite, summarize. For example, I will click on rewrite, then start. Microsoft Copilot will be rewrite this. How to restore previous tabs. Again go to settings, scroll down. Here you will see opening files. You can click on a open in a new window, open a new tab. how to save file. Click on file. Here you will see save as text file. You can select where you want to save, then choose the file name, then save, and that's it. There will be the best notepad features in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe and comment which feature you use the most. Thanks for watching.